हमारा प्रोडक्शन जीरो डिफेक्ट, जीरो इफेक्ट वाला होगा।
Welcome to our in-depth guide on the Z certification scheme. In this video, we will explore what the Z certification scheme is, the various types of certifications available, the benefits for your business, and the step-by-step process to get certified. Let's dive in.
हमारी एमएसएमई के पास आज एक बहुत बड़ा मौका है कि वो ग्लोबल सप्लाई चेन का मजबूत हिस्सा बने।
Welcome to MindSync, your compliance guard. MindSync is a professional organization providing compliance, consulting, legal and advisory services. Let's begin by understanding Z certification scheme.
जीरो डिफेक्ट उसकी क्वालिटी से जुड़ा है एंड जीरो इफेक्ट एनवायरनमेंट पर कोई विपरीत इफेक्ट नहीं करेगा।
Now let's move to the objective of the scheme. Encouraging quality manufacturing. The certification drives MSMEs to produce high-quality products by adopting the latest technologies and best practices, thereby enhancing their global competitiveness. Building a competitive Z ecosystem. It aims to develop a strong Z ecosystem that includes awareness, assessment, certification, guidance, and support for MSMEs, fostering continuous improvement in quality and environmental sustainability. Promoting Z practices. The certification encourages MSMEs to adopt zero-defect, zero-effect practices, which help in reducing wastage, conserving resources, and minimizing environmental impact. Policy guidance and improvement identification. The certification helps in identifying areas for improvement within MSMEs, providing valuable data to the government for policy decisions and investment prioritization. Moving to the eligibility criteria for Z certification. All businesses with MSME registration and registered on the Udyam registration portal are eligible to participate in the MSME Sustainable Z certification scheme. Any number of units registered under one Udyam registration can apply for Z certification under the scheme. However, each unit will need to apply for certification separately to avail of subsidies, benefits, and incentives. The Z certification is structured into 3 levels: bronze, silver, and gold. Each level represents a stage of maturity in implementing Z practices. Every MSME embarking on the journey of Z must take a ZED pledge before applying for a Z certification level. Certification on WASH standard and other capacity building measures through MSME KAWACH will be available to MSMEs immediately after taking the Z pledge. After taking the Z pledge, the MSME can apply for any certification level if it believes it can fulfill the requirements for that level. The intent of the Z pledge is to serve as a pre-commitment or solemn promise by MSMEs to uphold the values of zero defect, zero effect in their practices and to encourage them to advance on the journey of Z. Achieving Z certification comes with a host of benefits and incentives designed to support MSMEs in their journey towards excellence. First up, financial assistance. MSMEs can receive substantial financial assistance or subsidies to achieve Z certification. Here's the breakdown. Micro enterprises receive an 80% subsidy. Small enterprises get a 60% subsidy. Medium enterprises benefit from a 50% subsidy. Next, financial support for testing, systems, and product certification. MSMEs can obtain up to 75% of the total certification cost, with a maximum subsidy limit of Rs 50,000. Now, let's talk about the International Cooperation Scheme. Under this scheme, you can get subsidies on stall charges, capped at a maximum of Rs 3.50 lakh or the actual rent paid, whichever is less. Economy class airfare is subsidized up to Rs 1.75 lakh or the actual fare paid, whichever is lower. Expenses will be reimbursed based on actuals, up to 50,000 rupees plus 10,000 rupees per MSME unit. For Latin American countries, the maximum reimbursement is 75,000 rupees plus 10,000 rupees per MSME. Additionally, there is a Z certification joining reward. A reward of 10,000 rupees will be granted when you join the Z certification. This reward can be utilized within a specified time frame and is valid for 1 year after taking the Z pledge. For businesses owned by women, SC, or ST entrepreneurs, or those located in special regions or aspirational districts, there is an additional subsidy of 10%. If your MSME is part of the Sphoorti or Micro and Small Enterprises Cluster Development Program, you can benefit from an extra 5% subsidy on the Z certification cost. Lastly, under the Credit Guarantee Scheme, Z-certified MSS will enjoy enhanced guarantee coverage of 85%. Additionally, within the scheme, Z-certified MSEs will benefit from a 10% additional concession or relaxation in the guarantee fee. These incentives and benefits are designed to support and encourage MSMEs to adopt and uphold the values of zero defect, zero effect through Z certification. Take advantage of these opportunities to enhance your business's quality and sustainability. Securing Z certification can be a complex task, but that's where we step in. Our team of experts will swiftly provide you with a Z ID and pledge certificate, ensuring a smooth and straightforward process. We'll assist you in preparing for assessments and guide you through every step, helping you achieve Z certification. Leave the complexities to us, so you can concentrate on expanding your business. Reach out to us to learn how we can make this journey effortless and stress-free for you.